Last month, Xiaomi-backed Redmi had announced the Redmi Smart TV Max 100-inch model in the Chinese market. Today, the product officially goes on sale in China for the price of 19,999 yuan, which roughly converts to $3,140. With the launch of this new 100-inch display model in the Chinese market, the company now has 3 models in the Redmi Smart TV Max lineup, as the brand had previously launched 98-inch and 86-inch models. The Redmi Smart TV Max 100-inch also goes by the name of Redmi Max TV 100-inch or Redmi Max 100-inch Jumbo TV. As the name itself indicates, the product features a massive 100-inch LED backlit (DLED) LCD display. It comes with a multi-zone backlight system and an ambient light sensor for auto brightness. The TV offers a 4K screen resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, up to 700 nits brightness, and 94% DCI-P3 color gamut. The device also supports a variable refresh rate of 48 Hz to 120 Hz, and offers up to 4's latency via ALLM, auto low latency mode. The 10-bit display offers color accuracy of VH2, MEMC, and support for HDR10+, Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, and AMD FreeSync. Under the hood, the Redmi Smart TV Max 100-inch is powered by a quad-core chipset that has ARM Cortex-A73 cores and ARM Mali G52MC1 graphics processor, coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The TV houses two 15-watt speakers, 30-watt, with support for Dolby Atmos, Dolby Audio, and DTS-HD. As for the connectivity, the Smart TV has multiple ports, including an HDMI 2.1 port, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 USB ports, AV, Ethernet, PDIF, and antenna. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. In the software department, it comes with MIUI TV, which supports all the leading streaming platforms in China, and smart home connectivity. For businesses, the company is offering MIUI TV Enterprise Edition. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. I will be grateful to you. See you soon.